Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up run EV charging for business with EV charger software. Complete guide step by step clearly. To set up and run EV charging for your business, start by assessing your charging needs. Evaluate your customer base and determine how many EV chargers you will require. Research the types of EV chargers available, including level 2 and DC fast chargers. Select the appropriate charging stations based on your evaluation. Consider the specific location for the chargers, ensuring easy access for customers. Check local regulations and permitting requirements for installing EV chargers. Engage with a licensed electrician to help with the installation process. Choose a reputable EV charger software to manage your charging stations. Ensure the software can track usage, manage payments, and provide user access. Install the software on your chosen hardware, like tablets or POS systems. Connect the software to your chargers through Wi-Fi or wired connections. Configure user accounts and set up payment processing methods. Test the system thoroughly to ensure the chargers and software are working smoothly. Develop signage to help customers locate and understand how to use the chargers. Provide training for your staff on how to operate the chargers and the software. Monitor the usage and performance of your EV chargers regularly. Adjust your operations based on customer feedback and usage data over time. Stay updated on the latest advancements in EV charging technology and software. Consider partnerships or incentives to promote your EV charging offerings. Continuously review and improve the charging experience for your customers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment in. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.